Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to use a Visa gift card for gas. If you've got one of those prepaid Visa cards burning a hole in your wallet and you're wondering if it works at the pump, you're in the right place. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few key steps and tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. Let's get started. First things first, before you head out, check your Visa gift card balance. You can do this online through the issuer's website or by calling the number on the back of the card. This ensures you have enough funds for your gas purchase and avoids any surprises. Once that's sorted, drive to a gas station that accepts Visa cards. Most major ones like Shell, Exxon, or BP do, but it's always good to double check. Now, when you arrive, you have two main options: paying at the pump or going inside. If you're going for convenience, opt for pay at the pump. Simply insert your Visa gift card into the card reader, just like you would with a debit or credit card. You'll probably be prompted to enter a zip code or a PIN if your card has one. Remember, Visa gift cards often act like debit cards, so that PIN might be required. Select the pump number you're using and authorize the transaction. One important heads up: gas stations often place a temporary hold on your card for a higher amount than what you actually pump, to cover potential overages. This hold usually clears in a day or two, but it's something to keep in mind, especially if your card balance is tight. If pay at the pump isn't working for you, or if you're at a station that doesn't have it, just head inside. Tell the cashier how much gas you want, hand over your card, and they'll process it as a regular purchase. Make sure to get a receipt so you can track your balance. In conclusion, using a Visa gift card for gas is easy and hassle-free once you know the ropes. It's a great way to use up that leftover balance without any fuss. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more everyday tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.